Good morning, everybody. My name's Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're featuring the 2025 Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless. Come on aboard, I'll tell you all about it. And thanks for joining me aboard. We are powered with our white 200 horsepower Mercury engine. Plenty of power for anything you want to do on the lake or down at the coast. Got this great fishing platform here. Rod holders and cup holders throughout. Now as I step inside the boat, we've got our flip up seats, so everybody is going to be comfortable. This is on both sides. Below this seat, we've got our battery shut-off switch also covered, but you have your stainless telescoping ladder. And now as we come on up here, we've got our multi-position helm chair, and we also have our circulating live well here. That can double as a cooler, storage, whatever you need it to have. All right, now up at the helm, we've got our beautiful stainless steering wheel, digital throttle and shift with active trim, our Lenco trim tabs. We've got our 9-inch Simrad display here. Let me adjust this steering wheel down so you can see the whole thing. Now we'll go over all the features and functions. There are a great many on here. Also some analog gauges, upgraded JL audio sound system, head unit, but the white JL speakers throughout the boat. I'll point those out as we walk through, and all your convenience switches from wash down, nav lights, horn, etc. You've got great handrail and grab access on either side of the helm station here as part of your fiberglass tower. You've got your 4 rockets on there, and you've also got some storage, perfect for life jackets or any of those small items that you need quick access to. All right, moving on. Now we're gonna walk through over here on our starboard side to open up our head compartment. So we do have our pump out head, plenty of storage, an amazing amount of storage in there. And Boston Whaler really does do a great job with situating things. So come on up. I'm gonna move this armrest up. Now, as we approach the bow, we've got this fantastic sun pad-like chair here that doubles as a garage. And I call it a garage because this is huge. Tons of storage space. You have space for your rods there. This doubles as a rod holder, storage, whatever you need it to do. And then also your cushioned bow area here with storage throughout each compartment here. As we lift this up, we've got our anchor locker here as well. So lots of space throughout this whole entire boat. You know, one of the things that you can't tell by the video is exactly how well this boat performs and how smooth the ride is. So come on out and see us. Again, my name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. This has been the 2025 220 Dauntless from Boston Whaler. Thank you.